I will not be pushed, filed, stamped, indexed, briefed, debriefed, or numbered. My life is my own. I resign.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, you're welcome. It's me at the front door, Inspector C again at the front door. No callers, no canvassers, no religious groups and everything. If you're license free, this is what you have to do, folks, to be understand what you have to do, where it all starts at your front door. And of course, I've now installed 24/7 surveillance cameras at my front door with a camera bell. Doorbell, front doorbell, so that if they do come knocking, I don't have to answer the phone, the door to them. And at the moment, everything's working fine. Had it fitted, very simple to fit, and everything's working fine. And it's coming up to the end of the month again. They've no cold callers. Nobody's called from the BBC to check whether I need a license or not, because I don't need one anyway. But if they do, the golden rule you have to remember: if you answer the door, ask them who they are, identification needed and everything else. They're just salesmen trying to sell you a license. So all you need to do is say no thank you very much and goodbye, and you shut the door. And that's the procedure, folks. That's what you have to do. If you want license free, like Inspector C, you rang them up and you cancelled your license. You've got your 2-year exemption. And of course, I'm documenting all this the way I've done it, by ringing, telephoning. I've got my 2 years exemption letter stating I don't require a license at this address. And of course, like I was saying to you, I've got TV signs at the house anyway, and at the door now. If they do come knocking, well, you know, I don't really have to answer the door to them anyway if I don't want to. But anyway, they've not called yet, which is fine, because I'm not breaking any laws. I'm not watching BBC television, as I don't watch it. So that's what you have to do, folks. It's very simple. No letters, no harassment at all at the moment. It's coming up to February 2023 next year that my renewal date is up, when I have to renew the license as a ongoing thing, another 2 years. I may do this, I may not do it, because as I said before, I don't know. Whether this surveillance situation at the door is stopping the goons trying to get onto the front door, answer your door. You know, they can. You don't have to answer the door. If you've got a TV camera like I have, a surveillance camera, a doorbell camera, surveillance, you can see who knocks on your front door, and you don't have to really answer the doorbell to anybody, unless you're expecting a parcel or something like that, and wherever you are, it's linked to your phone. So I'm very impressed with the situation at the moment with it. I'm testing it out. I've not given my 100%. It's everything's working fine. I'm just testing it out, so I'll do a review of it. And it was quite reasonably priced. It wasn't expensive. I mean, some of them quite about £100, but this one was just under £30, which is quite a bargain. $29.99 from Amazon. So I'm testing it out, but at the moment it's working fine. I've had no problems, no wiring. Just connect it to the app, go through the procedures, connect it, and anybody comes to the front door, you know who's there. The doorbell rings, and you're on camera, and you can see who it is. And of course, this method is probably stopping the BBC goons getting access to their commission. So that's one good thing anyway, because this is what you have to do, folks. You have to become license free to stop all this TV licensing, threats at your door, 3 people coming to try and sell things to you. That's all it is. There are no enforcement officers, there's not anything of authority whatsoever. Obviously, with this situation like this, a lot of people having these new doorbells, these surveillance doorbells, it probably is going to make the BBC have another method of gaining entrance to your property, or trying to. by making conversation with you. So you don't say nothing, do nothing, ask them anything at all. You don't go and engage with them whatsoever. Therefore, you just shut the door and say, no, thank you very much. Do not require a license here. Goodbye. And then this method of trying to sell you a license will stop. So that's what it's about, folks. If you do what I'm doing, obviously, I want to thank all the new subscribers, try and get up to 500 people now. So if you like the content, please give it a like, hit the doorbell, the ring bell, you know, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. It's a big help to my channel, and gets my message across how simple it is to become license free, like Inspector C, by ringing, telephone them, cancel your license, get your 2-year exemption like I have done, which is coming up for renewal. That's the end of the month now, because I'm just doing this video now to say nobody's been knocking, nobody's harassing me, no letters, nothing at all. Anyway, folks, thanks again for all the new people, and I'd like to thank them, everybody, for helping me get the channel more, you know, more popular kind of thing, to people to understand how simple it is to become license free. And I thank everybody for joining me on the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.